In this video, we're going to learn how to activate your Destiny card online. If you're looking for a quick and easy way to activate your Destiny card, then you can either log into your existing accounts or register for a new account for Destiny. Simply go ahead and start off by opening up a preferred web browser and then into the URL box type in destiny.myfinanceservice.com and press enter. This will take you to the main homepage of Destiny MasterCard. To activate your MasterCard online, you can simply log into your existing account, or if you've not yet registered for an account first, go ahead and click on the register your account button and follow through the prompts. If you have your card number, go ahead and click on this yes, I have my card number, and enter your card number followed by your date of birth and social security number. If you do not have a card number, click the second option, enter your last name, zip code, date of birth and social security number, and click on the continue button. If you have an existing account and you'd like to log in first, you can go ahead and enter your username in the first text box. On the next field, type in your correct password. If you don't remember your password or your username, get help by clicking this forgot your username or password link. Finally, click the login button after entering your credentials, and once you're logged in, you can go ahead and find the activate card button and enter your card number details, its security code, and other information to identify yourself. After following the prompt, you'll be able to activate your Destiny card online in a few simple steps. That is how it can be done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll be back with more of these quick videos like this. Thanks for watching.